My name is Maya and today I want to tell you about my favorite winter activity. Let's go! Winter is my favorite season of the year. I like winter because I can ski. Skiing is my favorite winter sport. When it snows, I like skiing in the mountains with my family. I love ski so fast and jumping on trails. I like snow and mountain. When I ski, I am very happy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.